Well, more than 48 hours after a violent crash sent 7 Spokane police officers to a hospital, the woman accused of driving the car causing that collision made her first appearance in court. As KREM 2's Shannon Mallory found out, this wasn't the first time she's been accused of harming officers.
Keiana Henry had a warrant when she crashed into a police bearcat during a pursuit Friday, a warrant for running over another police officer. 21-year-old Keiana Henry covered her face and shook her head as a court commissioner read her charges.
Second-degree assault as well as attempt to elude a police vehicle.
Charges she's now repeated.
That incident would have occurred on November 2nd, 2023.
8 months later. Spokane police say Henry was the driver who crashed into a SWAT vehicle Friday as police tried to pull her over. Her car was suspected to have been involved in a drive-by shooting.
You ran that SWAT vehicle and you almost flipped it over. And then, of course, an individual was thrown from the vehicle and was seriously injured.
7 officers were hospitalized, with 1 suffering a broken vertebra and cut on the head. But it wasn't the first time she's been accused of harming an officer while trying to escape.
You drove with his person still within the vehicle.
Court records show in the November incident, Henry ran over an officer trying to get her keys as she drove away from a traffic stop. Documents from Friday's arrest show she and a passenger noticed the flashing lights as police chased her, but she told a detective she was scared and drove away. She also admitted to using fentanyl powder less than an hour before the crash.
Ms. Henry was concerned regarding her withdrawal, not the fact that she had just ran into a bearcat.
Henry had active warrants in Idaho and Spokane County, including for not appearing in court on her other eluding charge. Spokane police collision investigators estimate Henry was driving at least 50 miles an hour when she hit the armored vehicle. Henry's bond for both cases is $200,000, and the 2 men who were in her car Friday were not arrested. Shannon Mallory, KREM 2 News.